Hi there. Welcome to the Mad Schedules community with me, Minerva Goree. Today we are going to learn how to add the entry bar in Microsoft Project. Before I start the video today, thanks for all the support from you, my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. This helps me in creating more free videos that I share with you and our whole community here on YouTube. Please subscribe and hit the bell and share these videos with your friends and others that may find these videos helpful. If you are enjoying the content, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. It is very easy to add the entry bar to start using it in Microsoft Project if you know where to locate it, which is what we're going to do today. The entry bar is similar to Excel's formula bar and should be located here right below the ribbon. I don't have it turned on right now, so we can't see it, but let's go activate it now. First, we need to go to File, then down to Options. And now that we're here in Options, we have to make sure to click on the Display tab. So let's go ahead and click on it. And then we have to go out here where it says Show these elements and click on Entry Bar. Once you have that selected, we can click OK. And now you can see here I have my entry bar. You can see that if I select any of the task names, you will see them in my entry bar. So you can make quick changes here. And I'm going to put end stuff just to change it. And you can see I can quickly change that. All right. And there you go. Easy peasy. The entry bar is now available for you to use. We can easily use it for different fields. Now that you learned how to easily add the entry bar in Microsoft Project, go to the comments and write easy peasy. So I know you were successful in adding the entry bar in Microsoft Project. See you in the next lesson.